Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's section is about web server. What is web server and how to configure it. By the end of this section, you will see the output like this. In the last section, we set up an email server and learn it how to configure it and test it on computers. Okay, a web server is a system that hosts multiple websites and serve web page when user requests them through web browser. Okay, first we need to take a server. Go to the end device and select server. Or you can use existing email server or DHCP server as web server. I choose new server to avoid confusion and name it the server web server. Okay, now connect the web server with switch. To connect, click the connection and select the copper straight through cable. Okay, first we need to set up negotiation mode. So open the server and go to the config, go to the specific port, in my case FA0, bandwidth set as 100 Mbps and duplex full. Okay, like that, set up on switch. First we need to find the port number. Here you can see the connected port number is FA14 on switch. So first go to the switch and navigate the port number, in my case FA14. Okay, set bandwidth 100 Mbps and duplex full. Okay, now let's assign IP address for the web server. Here you can see my last IP is 192.168.0.2. Okay, to assign IP address, go to the desktop and select IP configuration, and here I am going to give IP 192.168.0.3. okay, keep your main its web server IP. Okay, let's mark it. Okay, now we need to enable web service on web server. Open the web server and navigate to the service and click HTTP. You will see that the HTTP and HTTPS are enabled by default, so we don't need to change anything. These are the protocol used to access this web server. Okay, in the file manager, here you can see in the file manager you will find multiple files. Locate the index.html and click edit. You will see some HTML codes. If you know HTML and CSS, you can modify the code as you need, but for now I will simply write the name Cybertech Academy. Type Cybertech, oh sorry, Cybertech Academy. Okay, the H1 means heading 1 and I wrote Cybertech Academy, and these are the HTML codes. Okay, After wrote the code, click save. Okay, yes. You can see here it successfully saved. Now we have successfully configured web server. Finally, let's check it if it is work. Okay, select any PC. Just I am going to select PC 5. Then navigate to the desktop panel and find web browser and click it. Okay, in the URL space we need to enter the IP address of the web server. In my case, the IP address is, let's copy it. Okay, and paste it and click go. Here you can see the web server successfully working, and I can access the web server from any PC. Now let's check it from PC 9. Okay, go to the desktop and click web browser. And paste this the IP address of web server and click go. Yes, it's worked perfectly. Now you might be wondering that since we are only configured the HTTP service, but how does it actually work? The concept is simple. For an example, here I am going to access the web server from PC 9. Okay, first the request, go to the switch, then go to the web server. Okay, when I access the web server, it automatically shows the index.html file. This happened because web server are set to load a default file name like index.html as a home page. That is what I configured index.html file. Okay guys, today's section is over. I hope you have fully understood the concept of web server. If you have any doubt, comment below and stay tuned for upcoming Cisco series. Until then, bye.